Health Code International never stops finding for food-grade supplements that would help maintain good health. Presenting to you a product that is FDA approved and has a brand name of CRJ or the Cell Rejuvenate Juice. It's a premium passion fruit with wheatgrass powdered juice milk. The focus of Cell Rejuvenate Juice or CRJ is our gut or our intestines. And therefore, our slogan is Your health starts from the gut. The intestines are essential for life. It is here where the needed nutrients are absorbed and then carried to the blood to be distributed to the different cells of the body. That's why we always say, feed yourself, not your stomach. Our intestines has a wide range of microorganisms that makes up the essential microbiota, making our gastrointestinal tract healthy. But the intestines are continuously exposed to foreign bodies and other environmental agents like the food we eat, the sodas we drink, and the drugs that we take in, making them into toxins. And this would now be absorbed by the intestinal blood. And if your digestion and metabolism goes wrong, we feel and observe some problems in our abdomen. Do you hear any rumbles and groans inside your stomach? Do you see changes in color, appearance, and consistency of your stool? Do you feel any abdominal pain or cramping? Or do you experience a sour taste coming from your stomach and smell something unusual from your fart? So we need to defecate, to poop, or to bring out our stools. If this doesn't happen, the stool loses its fluid, it becomes drier and harder, leading to constipation. And you may suffer from any of these signs and symptoms: constipation, abdominal pain, acid reflux, bad breath or halitosis, nausea and vomiting, blood sugar fluctuations, and weight gain. And here's how we can help you. Presenting our Cell Rejuvenate Juice or our CRJ that is rich in fiber and enzyme. CRJ are made up of several ingredients, making it effective. It has passion fruit powder, wheatgrass powder, psyllium husk, soy powder, vitamin C and citric acid, and amylase. Each of these ingredients have their benefits. Passion fruit has zero cholesterol, it has a high fiber content, it promotes intestinal health, it assists in weight gain. Soybeans would help improve metabolic activity, it helps in a healthy weight gain, and helps boost the digestive health. Amylase, on the other hand, helps balance sugar level, it helps support good digestion, it improves the immune system, and processes starches to produce energy. It has also a component of psyllium husk that is high in fiber. It lowers cholesterol, lowers your blood pressure, it aids in weight loss, and promotes healthy bowel movement. Wheatgrass, on the other hand, solves constipation, it promotes colon health, and it prevents cancer. It can also cleanse the liver. We have also your vitamin C and citric acid that would maintain healthy skin, prevents cancer, and it's a natural preservative. CRJ would now be giving us multiple benefits. We have the three major roles of our CRJ, which are the three Ds. First D is to digest, enabling large foods to break down into smaller molecules so that our gut can be able to absorb the necessary nutrients. D stands for D oil, which helps to naturally lower total cholesterol and reduces LDL or the bad cholesterol. And then, of course, the third D is to detox, eliminating toxins from our body. With these three Ds, CRJ helps improve our health and restore physical strength in order to sustain life. And with the use of our CRJ, you can benefit from a fiber boost. One, you can reduce intestinal problem. It promotes defecation and relieves constipation. It improves digestive function, remove toxins from the body, enhance nutrient absorption, reduce fat absorption, and enhance the body's immune system. Remember, the gut is the largest immune organ. Drinking CRJ, or the Cell Rejuvenate Juice, which is a premium passion fruit with wheatgrass powdered juice drink, would now help us promote good health.